Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using MRI software for accounting and reporting, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of the MRI software installed on your computer. Launch the MRI software by double-clicking the application icon. When prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the Home tab. Locate the accounting module from the available options. Click on Setup within the accounting module to start configuring your settings. Review the default preferences provided. Adjust the fiscal year settings based on your company's requirements. Set up the chart of accounts by clicking on Manage Accounts. Click Add Account to create new accounts as needed. Enter the necessary details for each account, including account type and description. Save your changes for each new account created. Now, proceed to define your journal entries by navigating back to the Setup menu. Select Journal Entries and choose the relevant options. Configure the default journals necessary for your reporting. Input any recurring journal entries that are applicable to your organization. Next, head to the Reports section under the Accounting module. Define your reporting period by selecting the start and end dates. Choose the report types that are most relevant to your needs. You may preview reports to ensure accuracy before generating them. Once satisfied, click on Generate Report to create your financial statements. If needed, export reports to various formats like PDF or Excel using the Export feature. Assess the reporting options to ensure they align with your accounting standards. Finally, save your configurations and log out securely from the MRI software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.